Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can contact Google Support live chats. Google doesn't offer a direct live chat for general users, but you can contact Google Support through the follow methods that I'm going to show you in this video. So first, you can contact Google via Help Center. So you can just find Google Help Center on your browser. This one, support.google.com. And then just select the project that you need to help with. For example, here I'm going to just go with YouTube. And now you can just click on the contact us if available for that service, or you can also your issue and follow the steps to see available support. For example, this one's right here. You can just scroll down, and in here you can see there will be this icon where you can contact the Google theme or support. I'm going to change the language first into English. I don't know why it's on Indonesian. Okay, so you can just explain what Google support can help you with, and then choose the resources. After that, there will be the contact option. So you need to fill this first. After that, you can tap on next and choose resources and contact options. You can also contact Google support for business services. If you use a paid Google service like Google Workspace, Google Ads, or Google Play Developer, you may have access to live chats. And the third one, you can also use the Google One support. And again, this is for paid users. If you are a Google One subscriber, you can access the 24/7 live chat support. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.